Okay, I'm listening. How can I help? Mom, I'm so mad. I left my shells on the bus. What if they get thrown away? They're not going to throw them away. We'll go to school and tell them what you lost. Now go sit down. I'll make you a snack. I just feel so stupid. Mom, someone is at the door. Answer it, please. I'm in the middle of something. Hi. You left these on the bus. My shells, thank you. You're welcome. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye, bye, bye. Mom! Mom, look! Wonderful! You found your shells. Yeah!